Hello everyone, this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 20, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term stock price direction for a swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit. Last week, market finally be able to get out the resistance zone and continue to move higher, even we see a record of coronavirus case. But we have some good news on the way. First of all, we have a 1 trillion in a stimulus fund target on August. We have a vaccine funding result also have with the market. And we also see the small cap top. It's on the move to the upside also. And the good thing is we have a new construction, it's also up 17%, and the retail sale is also up also. So the market will do whatever they want to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. So the price on the chart will tell you everything. If you learn how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology, you can buy any and predict where it will go next. This is the only technical skill that you should learn so that you can manage your own financial future, like 401k and IRA account. As stock navigators, we help you to understand how to use modern technical analysis in trading, but we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can see how the price action in real time so that you can survive in this volatile market. This week we will continue with a lot of earning reports with a couple of big names like Tesla, Amazon, CMG, J&J, and the market it will move faster and more volatile. This week we will focus on a lot of good sector like biotech, medical supply, construction equipment, and we will take a look at all of them in a little bit. But first of all, let's go to the index to see that where the market heading to, so that we can see uh, where we're going to heading for the next week. So if you look at the SBY, so we are be able to get out of the first resistance area right here, and then we be able to get up to the upside. But right now we get stuck into the resistance area here, which we try to test the pivot high at beginning of the June. So right now the market go up, we pull back down, they come back up, but eventually they are still in the upside. So as long as some of the good earning here, probably we can get out of this trouble zone and push it higher. So that's what we try to watch out for right now. So right now, all the price is above the moving average, 50-day above the 200-day moving average. Everything is still look in the bullish side. So the trend is still up. We will stick with the uptrend. In the short term, you see that in the last couple of days, we have trouble to get out of the sell zone here, but the momentum it keep moving up. As long as it still hold up here, we sooner or later we will find a way to get out of the trouble zone there. And if you look at uh, the 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 E-mini future SP 500, so right now we still try to test the area here a couple of times already, and on Friday we test one more time, and we should not be able to go through it. So let's see, this week we'll be able to get out of the resistance area here. In order for the market to go higher, they have to get up and punch to this level in order to get up to the next level. And if you look at the Dow zone, the Dow is still bullet, even though they go sideways, but they be able to hold at the support here, and then they try it, they hold it up pretty well. So as long as they gain some momentum on the daily chart, they will continue to test the next level right there. And the NQ it have trouble last week, as you can see. In the bigger time frame, it's still bullet. They stuck in here, but the momentum is still there. If they get out of this area, they will continue to go higher. But in the short term, you can see that the market is pull down uh, on on last week, and then they try to go back up, they pull back down, and right now they try to crawl back up. So the intermediate resistance area will be right here, waiting for them. So in order for them to get back there, they have to go through this level before they can get back and test the high the week before. And for the Russell 2000, they try to catch up. They are fall behind, but after they get out of this area right here, so they still hold up momentum very well. As long as they hold up here, they will come back and test the 1502 level here. So they try to get out, but they get stuck on Friday. So right now, they try to pull the sideways. As long as they still hold up and they be able to push it back up overnight or tomorrow, they will find a way. Otherwise, they will go sideways before they can punch through this level. And the goal is still bullet, but right now, they after they run up so fast, so right now they go sideways. They tuck into the channel here, so they have to stay here until they be able to get out before they can go higher. As you can see here in the short term, so they try to go it up. So probably they will pull back down first before they can punch through and retest the high again in the short term for next week. And oil is still hanging there. They after the OPEC cut production last week, so oil is not really going down. They go sideways, so you can see here, they go up there and then they still stick in the rainbow here. So as long as they stick here, they will be able to break out here. They will go and test the top again. And for the euro, it gained some momentum last week. As you can see, the euro it continued to go up, so they have some resistance waiting for them right here. So they get out of the resistance in the short term. They try to pull back. So let's see if we will be able to continue to get up there. And bond it losing some momentum, as you can see here. They every time they drop, they come back, they get the resistance, they come back, they test again, they fail. So right now, probably they try to come back and retest this area here before they can move to different direction. And the Bitcoin, it also after trouble last week, while they are because they're hackers, so they come down a little bit, but they still hold momentum very well. So they'll be able to break out of downtrend line. So right now they try to continue to find a way to get up there. So that for all of the indexes right now, let's take a look of the some of the stock. Okay, first of all, a couple of stocks that we go look into next week because they're going to announce earnings. So you can see that the Johnson after they come and they run up and then they build a bay, they come down. So now they'll be able to get out. So they gain some momentum here. So they will now earning. So definitely this is it in the bio sector also. So if they have some benefit of vaccine, corona vaccine, definitely this one will have some potential. And the next one is the NTX. So this one here, it, after they another biotech, they come back down, they get back here, so they gain some momentum back on Friday. So it seems like they want to get up a little bit more. And the next one, the TDY, so that's another technology stock. So this one is after they run up, but you can see here, so they pull back and then they gap up last week and the momentum is still there. So definitely they will go back there to test the, uh, a lot of resistance in this area here. And next one is CTSH. So this one here, they after they run up, they come back and now they build a base and then they get to the resistance. They fail last time, so they come back, they reset, they fail again. So now they're able to get out of the trouble zone here and then they hang in there. So if they to be able to hold above the resistance and become a support, they to be able to head up to the upside. Next one is another um, audio code. So this one is very nice. After they run up to the upside, and then they try to make a U-turn here, you can see that momentum up there. So look like they, because it's more gap stock, they are performing well as long as the IWM is still doing well. This one will find a way to continue to the upside, and the ALX. So this one here is the college. So this one is bullet, and then they still able to make a new high, and then it continue to the upside. Because again, this is the benefit of a small gap stock. So, and this one here at the gold is also doing well. At the gold sector doing well, the gold mining is still taking up, and then they have more one, but they try to run up fast to the upside. And you see, so if you're talking about the Russell 2000 ETF, so you can see that this one that after they run up here and then they come back, they build a bay, and now if they hold up, they will come back and test at least to the resistance level there, and then if the market support and a lot of small scalp stock they put in the upside, they will continue to go higher. All right, so this is all I have for you this week, and we will see you in next week. If you like what I'm doing here, please give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you can see where the market is heading to. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method, and how to read the chart correctly, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching and good luck for you next week.